Hello friend. Today, I continue to study the physics of objects in Blender. I made a small springboard on which the balls go down. I modulated the funnel, poured balls into this funnel, and from this funnel the balls descend along the springboard. I made them shiny so that they looked a little bit like metal. I made the camera move along the trajectory and the camera focused on a point. The result is that the camera is simultaneously focused on the moving point and the camera is also moving in a spiral. This is the experiment. This video is not long, but I spent a lot of time studying the material. How to attach a camera to a spiral, how to create a spiral, how to set a marker for the camera to look at, how to focus the camera. Also, the process of modulation itself. The springboard looks simple, but it was taken into account that the balls would roll. I had to think about it and spend time on it. I also made good lighting. I used cycle rendering, and the rendering itself took about 6 hours. That is, the more complicated the scene, the more lighting, the more details, the longer the frame is counted. That is, the duration of the rendering of one frame increases. That's all for today. I'm not stopping. I continue to learn the program. To be continued, join me. You might be interested to see how it goes.